I'll show you how to preserve fresh pumpkin in a jar. I will cut the pumpkin and remove the seeds. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Pumpkin seeds can be dried and eaten. It is extremely healthy. I will separate the pumpkin from the skin and cut it into smaller pieces. I cut the pumpkin and now I need lemon juice. Now I will fill the clean and washed jars with pumpkin. I add a tablespoon of lemon juice to each jar. I add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Fill the jars with water to cover the pumpkin. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with clean and new lids. I need a deeper pan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I pour water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, it will be pasteurized for 30 minutes. Pasteurization is a process at 80 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes of pasteurization, I remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jars to cool gradually in the water. Jars, store them in a dark place until use. A pumpkin preserved in this way can last for a year or longer. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.